good, Mr. Xian. Today, I'm wearing a traditional outfit.
Yeah, beautiful clothes.
Thank you. So this is like an outfit that I ordered online. I felt like, when I start to enter into the moral classroom and do moral lectures, and my heart is starting to also getting more pure and clean. So when that goes through, I'm starting to connect with a truer self of the human world, my role in the human world. I connect with the one that is called traditional Chinese culture. In the Chinese history, the ladies, they wear long dress, and the clothes are very nicely, beautifully decorated with the flowers.
Yeah, that is the Han Dynasty clothes.
It's called a Han Couture. It's called a Han Couture because it represents an ethnic race called the Hanzhu. Han. Yeah, Han.
Yeah.
大汉, right? 大汉民族, they say 大汉民族, right? Yeah. Yeah, 大汉民族. I think I need to make it a little better. Yeah, 大汉民族. So, I start to recognize that when we start to introduce moral concepts to the modern human society, there are a lot of current levels, manifestations of the current moral levels of the human world. And it comes into our life in terms of the food we eat, and the music we listen, the movies we watch, and the clothes that we wear. So in the traditional Chinese culture, clothes actually, is very, very kind of in a very high standard for the people who are cultivated. What it means that those people who pay attention to their spirituality, they also pay attention to all the details of their life. The way they stand, the way they sit, the way they walk, the way they sleep, the way they dress, particularly. It's in the traditional Chinese culture, the way people dress directly reflect the person's moral level, spirituality, and the social class. So I started to see that, the clothes also reflect quite a lot of moral principles. For example, ladies in the modern time, ladies wear short skirts, legs exposed, right? The chest exposed, and walk around and basically display, this whole sexuality code, right? The feminine attraction to male, that kind of stuff. And ladies' hair usually all scattered, long hair scattered. And ladies do certain things about their hair. They make it curled, they make it colored, right? They make it all kinds of strange shape. Modern women, in terms of speech, in terms of walk and the sit and the sleep, all the behaviors and the way eat, everything has already deviated very far away from what originally our divine beings created a human being and set up the best, most beautiful way for human beings to live. Especially, ladies eventually will become mothers, right? And they will shoulder the responsibility of carrying baby and raise the children and teach the children. And the most important moral teachers in this world is mother. every house, the grandma and the mother, they're supposed to be the most important moral teachers to lead the entire family on the path of health and happiness and longevity, while the men go outside to conquer and bring bread to the home. The ladies are the most powerful, manifestation of feminine beauty and wisdom. All actually is in the domain of home, and so it manifests into the clothes big time. Clothes. So the ancient time ladies stay home and they do their clothes with the needle, carefully with needle, very carefully put their love, their nourishing force into every stitches when they make a nice outfit for their husband, for their son, for their daughter. You know what I mean? So those are the very, very important morality, manifestation in the home. But when you have a wrong lifestyle, these days, our clothes we basically buy, wear and then toss. We don't really treasure our clothes most of the time, and the clothes comes, not really it's not connected with our heart, so we don't treasure them. We buy and we toss out. Even when they're still brand new, we put on the clothes, body, we feel not comfortable, they already go into garbage for some ladies, right? So it really has quite a lot of moral lessons associated with, how we dress. So the moment when I put on a traditional outfit, quite a lot of thoughts about education came into my heart. We are about to do our charter school application this year. As I discussed with you, the SUNY Charter School Institute today, February 10th, released the RFA, which means request for application, RFA. So the request for application from the SUNY Charter School Institute is officially released for the New York State applicants today. I didn't open up the official file yet because I want to get my heart in the correct place. So today, we are coming to this very important moral lesson, perfect for our next stage of the charter school project. So I took the opportunity, to introduce about currently, I think in terms of education, there were quite a lot of things to be fixed. You talk about the Sacred Virtue Institute, and the mission is to bring light to the human world and to bring order to the human world, to eradicate people's evil thoughts. Okay, so how are we going to be able to build charter school that will be able to accomplish that, by helping our children one at a time? But we're going to work with mothers and grandmothers. That's why, I'm just bringing up this, aspect to you today and show you that, me as a mother and a future grandmother, my heart, send best wishes to all the beautiful young ladies in our community and among our audience, that I want to say, time it is now to start to change the deviated way of living and start to find out the truth about what is the best way to find health and happiness and longevity and the harmony of the family. And young ladies, every one of us need to really deliver some support. Our family, if we have a young lady, we need to pay attention to nourish and support this young lady to make sure that she will be able to grow up and inherit the beautiful tradition of the both East and West culture. So I send my best wishes to my beautiful daughter, Miss Lotus Blossom. Today I was wearing this outfit, went into the community backyard and took a whole bunch of video for Miss Lotus Blossom and shared with her. And I also will share with our audience as well. Okay, so that's my intro. Pause.